Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are going to explore Waldorf education system, also known as Steiner education system. Actually, it is an educational philosophy developed by Rudolf Steiner, the founder of anthroposophy. Waldorf school offer a holistic approach to education, emphasizing the development of the whole child, intellectually, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. They aim to provide a developmentally appropriate, experiential, and academically rigorous education. Let's talk about the key features of Waldorf school systems. Feature number 1: holistic approach. Waldorf schools focus on nurturing the intellectual, artistic, and practical skills of students. They aim to foster creativity, critical thinking, and a love for learning. Feature number 2: balanced curriculum. The curriculum in Waldorf schools includes a wide range of subjects, including academics, arts, movement, and outdoor activities. The arts, such as music, painting, and drama, are integrated into the daily learning experience. Feature number 3: developmentally appropriate. Waldorf education takes into account the development stages of children and tailors the curriculum to meet their needs at each stage. The emphasis is on age-appropriate learning and allowing children to learn through play and hands-on experience. Feature number 4: no early academics. In Waldorf school, there is a delay in the introduction of formal academics until later in the elementary years. The focus in the early years is on imaginative play, social interaction, and developing motor skills. Feature number 5: limited use of technology. Waldorf schools typically limit the use of technology in the early years and gradually introduce it in later grades. The emphasis is on hands-on learning and direct experiences rather than screen-based activities. Feature number 6: teacher-student relationship. Waldorf schools emphasize the importance of strong relationships between teachers and students. Teachers often stay with the same class for several years, allowing for a deep understanding of each student's individual needs. In conclusion, Waldorf education is a holistic approach to education that focuses on the development of the whole child. It emphasizes a balanced curriculum, age-appropriate learning, and the nurturing of the creativity and critical thinking skills. Waldorf schools aim to provide an academically rigorous education while also fostering the students' artistic and practical abilities. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.